Hello, my name is Clayton Dalton with Bear Creek AI. And today I'm going to be showing you our Agentic Apps feature. So once you log into knowledgeXpert to get to Agentic Apps, you simply click the Agentic Apps button in the left sidebar, and you'll be directed to this page. Here you can see the Agentic Apps you've created in the past, view them, edit them, delete them. We're going to start out by creating a new app though. We're simply going to call it News. Simple app. Click create. Now I'm clicking on this news app here, and we have several buttons here. We can run the app, we can edit it, copy, delete, and then obviously close it out. So we're going to go in and edit this Agentic app. There's several ways to create these, through the assistant, through manual adding task, but we're going to start out with manually adding a simple prompt task. There's several different types of tasks that you can use, but the prompt task is very similar to just a chat message with parameters supplied. You can chain these in series, you can chain these in parallel, and combine them with other types of tasks as well. For our prompt, we're just going to say, find the latest news this week for AI and LMs. Exit out of that, and we then need to set the source in the model. For this, since I want to find news, I'm going to select web search and confirm. Then for the model, I'll select Gemini 3.1 Flash for speed. Then save our changes. We can see a success message here. Now we're going to go back and run this app. Now when we run the app, this will execute the tasks in this app. So if you have a prompt task, summary task, generate document task, these will all execute. Now, if input is needed from a certain task, you'll get a waiting message similar to this message here, which will allow you to put in input. You can see this has been completed now. We can view the results by clicking on the history. And this will give us the question that we asked and then the results found. Now, coming back here, let's take a look at the assistant for creating apps. Let's go to assistant, and the assistant now will have context about this application that we're trying to create. So let's say, help me improve this workflow. Just a simple prompt, but let's see what it comes back with for how to understand it better. It says we're working on the news workflow, then we have a start prompt node and end node with Gemini 3.1 Flash web search enabled. It's pointing out a few issues and improvements. Great. Let's ask it to make those improvements. And I'll pause the video just so we don't have to sit here and waste further response. Okay, this process is completed now, and I did have to ask it to continue a few times since this is quite a few steps. But it's completely added several new nodes. We can see here, these all are searching internet, and this is running in parallel. We have a prompt to search for government regulations. We have a prompt to search for new model releases, etc. And a prompt to search for major AI company announcements, etc. Then finally, we summarize it all into this nice report. We can just close out of this chat, click Save Changes, which I've already done, go back, run it one more time, and we'll see a much better response. Now again, I'll pause to let this run, and then I'll show you the new response. So the search came back, and we can see now we have a summary node output as in addition to the other node outputs with this very nice format from that summary node.